If you want to improve your spoken English, you have to practice practically. This method called Comprehensive Input. You can see this is wall and wall color is white, and you can see this is called window, and I can able to see the view, and this is called upstairs stair, and I have already reached. This is Shorai office, and finally I reach Shorai office, and there are some my brothers. They are playing Free Fire, and this is all of the office situation. And this is my little brother. We are work together, and you can able to see there are a PC on the table, and there are also two laptops on the table. And now I'm just sitting on this chair. Uh, so if you want to improve your spoken English, you have to practice practically. This method called comprehensive input. When you practice practically, that times your brain absorb this language. So this is a window, and this called blanket. You can say in English this is a blanket, and this is a printer. When you print something, this appliance help you to print something. And you can also able to see here there is a rack, this called rack, and a router, a CCTV camera here also. And practice like this, it doesn't matter how many times you made a mistakes makes you perfect one day. And inshallah one day I will speak fluently, and I started 75-day challenge to speak fluently, speak better, and I will improve my editing skill or everything. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page. Thank you everyone, and practice.